Hello, and welcome to the Crypto Jungle channel. Today, we'll take a look at what happened in the crypto market over the last 24 hours, especially with Bitcoin. So let's jump right in. First, let's check the liquidity zones on Bitcoin. We can see some liquidity forming here, let's say in that 2-hour window. There's also a lot of liquidity here, and more over here. And again, in that same 2-hour range, we've got more liquidity here, and here too. So overall, a lot of liquidity on the downside. Now let's check the upper side. There's some liquidity up here near the top, but that's about it for the last 24 hours. Other zones that previously had liquidity, like here or here, are now mostly cleared out. So let's also mark this old liquidity here. So what can we expect next? Well, one possibility is that the price corrects a bit and moves up to take that upper liquidity. But there's a higher chance it will go down to grab the fresh liquidity below, so it might go up first, then drop. If I were to place a trade, I'd bet on the price going up, but not from this point. Let's say we only target this liquidity zone and the price pushes up to collect it. That's about a 5.4% gain. If we use a 1-4 risk-reward ratio, and price reaches that level, we exit. So with that logic, we go in here. And if it works, great. But if not, and price drops first, then this setup is not ideal. The same applies if we set the ratio to 1-3. Let's consider another plan. What if price goes down first, grabs all that downside liquidity? Then I would wait for an entry down here at the bottom. Let's see if we have any old liquidity on the downside. We have some, but it is within the stop loss, so it's not a problem. If we target that zone and exit somewhere around here, that's a potential 12% gain. With a 1-4 risk to reward setup, we'd set a 3% stop loss. This protects us in case price continues lower to sweep that liquidity. So for now, this seems like the safer idea, but we'll watch closely what happens tomorrow. Also, keep in mind, RSI is very high and is currently trending downward. This suggests that price will likely go down within the next 24 hours. Again, it might go up first, but the safer play is still to the downside. So why did Bitcoin pump yesterday? That was because of reports that more firms are planning to buy BTC, which pushed price up over 10%. Let's now define our profit-taking strategy. We're not targeting everything at once, but instead taking profits in 4 steps. First target, 3%, same as our stop loss. Second, 6%. Third, 9%. Fourth, main target at 12%. So that's the plan for today. I'll set my entry at the bottom zone and see what happens tomorrow. To me, this is the safest setup for now. Let me know what you think in the comments below. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, comment, and subscribe for daily 24-hour crypto updates. See you tomorrow.